to Great Britain in Bordeaux Sevens in France. Now, let's move away from rugby. Let's get into some football action. And the national women's football team, Harambee Starlets, will be in action this afternoon at 4 p.m. taking on Zambia in the Four Nations tournament. And they say they are ready to win the title.
I played against Zambia before, 2019. I guess it's this place too. So I know we don't discuss players, by the way, in our camp. We just focus, training, then the match will decide. We can't just sit down and discuss how would Barbara play, how could Ananji, Grace Chanda. No, it's not our work. Our work is just playing football, 19 plus, finish. Yeah. For the ranking, you know, Zambia is a big team, you know, big names, but as you can see now, football is not all about big names or big team. It's just 90 plus will decide it. So, is it much? We play against Australia. They are good teams too, but we didn't play there like we play with the Matildas. Is a big team, big names. No, we just go there and play our games, and we did very well. You see. So even this one, we'll tackle them the same. You know. Yeah.
We're really happy and privileged to be here. We had earlier requested to play against Zambia. We know that they are highly ranked, especially here in Africa, and they've played in numerous tournaments, the Olympic, the WAFCON, the World Cup, and we know that they're a formidable side. So as we're preparing for WAFCON, we are really looking forward to play against teams that have already made a mark, to see where we are as we look forward to begin our matches in the WAFCON.
Kenya, we already observed 1-2 pictures and adjusted, of course. They have been on the FIFA series playing Australia, for example. For me, also a country where you see they do also their investments in women's football that's lifted them back to WAFCON. They have also kind of players abroad. Some of them are very physical. They have some tall players in, which it's good for us that we need to evolve in our, air control defense-wise. But of course, we have a point on Kenya, but then we focus on us. It's always about our development. We know our strengths, and then we try to find the weaknesses to punish them then in the right areas. But I expect a good game tomorrow. We had a very good session yesterday on the pitch, today final training, and I think Rudy can also give you a bit insights how it is in.
From football, let's go.